Got a traffic ticket in Ohio? Before you do anything, there's something important to understand. Ohio works differently to most states. What happens with your ticket depends heavily on which court is handling it, not just which state you're in. Let me explain. Ohio uses a point system managed by the BMV, the Bureau of Motor Vehicles. Minor speeding violations typically add 2 points to your record. More serious offenses add more. Hit 6 points within 2 years, and the BMV sends you a warning letter. Hit 12 points and your license is suspended for 6 months, so keeping points off your record matters a lot. Here's where the defensive driving course comes in. Ohio's BMV approves a program called the Driver Safety Program, an 8-hour online course that can prevent points from being applied to your record for a qualifying violation. But here's the critical thing. You need to contact your court first, before you enroll. Some Ohio courts run formal diversion programs where completing the course leads to the ticket being dismissed entirely. Others use the course purely for point prevention. What's available to you depends entirely on the court handling your citation. So step 1 is always the same. Call your court, explain you've received a citation, and ask whether a defensive driving course is available for diversion or dismissal, or whether it's for point prevention only. Get that confirmed before you spend any time or money on a course. If your court approves it, you enroll in a BMV-approved 8-hour online driver safety program. The course covers crash prevention, traffic laws, and defensive driving techniques, and ends with a final exam. Once you complete it, you submit your certificate to your court or directly to the BMV, depending on what your court instructs. This one you do yourself. It doesn't get submitted electronically on your behalf. On eligibility, you need a valid Ohio driver's license. You can't have been driving a commercial vehicle when cited, and you must not have taken a defensive driving course within the past 3 years. You can only use this benefit a limited number of times in your lifetime. On cost, courses typically run around $20 to $30. Given that a single point conviction can trigger an insurance increase that runs hundreds of dollars a year, that's money well spent. We've compared every BMV-approved defensive driving course in Ohio by price, completion time, and reviews over at trafficschoolpicker.com/Ohio. Links in the description.